guys already know what we're going to do from the thumbnail and the title. But first, I want you guys to click on this video, how to draw a unicorn frappuccino. And it will appear up in the corner here. So be sure to click on it. And then, let's see if we can get 50 likes on this video here. So, today we are unboxing Smooshy Mushy Bentos Series 2. I got this for clearance for $5. And also check out in my playlist some Squishy Mushy Baby Besties. I have scissors just in case. Oh guys, and both part 1 and part 2 will come up at the corner. Squishy Mushy Baby Besties. Be sure to tap on it. And I think it's like a little tray, so you guys can't see what it includes up here because it's in white, but I will read it to you. It includes 1 Smooshy Mushy pet, 2 besties, 1 bottle, 3 ball chains, 1 sticker, and 1 collector posters, and 1 name tag. So that sounds interesting. And it also has a smushy holder included. It says squeeze me, and it's only for 3 years plus. But before we open it, I really want you guys to go on this video unboxing Woody Boos number 3 to see what's inside of this. It will pop at the corner as well. So let's get on to opening. So you could just open it from here. Let's try to see if it actually is slow rising. It's kind of hard to open. I will use my scissors. That's what scissors are for. Trying to carefully open it without ripping anything except the plastic here. It's kind of hard for me, so my mom will do it for me. But if you ever have something hard and you try to do it with scissors, always let your parents do it because scissors are very sharp and you do not want to cut yourself. My mom is also helping me open it as well. And I cannot wait to squish the squishy that's inside. So it looks like we have our collector's guide. Is this one? Or it said there was a poster. This could be a poster. So I'm pretty sure that this is a collector's guide. Ooh, I think, guys, it comes with a word search. And I think there's something here. It's like a cute little name tag. So cute. So let's just tear off this plastic a little more. I'm going to use my scissors again. Okay, it's kind of like pop. It's like a big pop sound. Sorry if it's disturbing you guys. It's just kind of hard to open this thing. I do not want to tear up the tray. But let's try to get our smushy mushy out. Look at this squishy. Oh my gosh, it's actually slow rising like it said. It's cereal with Harbor Hippo on it. And it's so squishy. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so squishy. I have squishies, but this is just the squishiest squishy I ever had. It says Smooshios. I think that's the name of the cereal. Now let's get our last squishies out. So here's another one. Oh, this one's kind of hard. I think it has a scent to it. It kind of smells good, actually. smells good a little. But it also kind of smells like hand sanitizer for some reason. And next we have another squishy. Here. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little pancake with a face on it. It's a blueberry pancake. It has blueberries on it and butter. It's more squishier than the egg. The egg is like barely even squishy. It's not so rising too. But the pancake is kind of slow rising and it's better. So now is our bottle, which we have 3 ball chains. So 1 orange one, 1 green one, and a pink one. And guys, now I'm going to show you Sugar Rush scented markers, and it will pop up in the corner. So be sure to click on that. And also like that video. So let's just close up the baby bottle here. I love Squishy Mushies. Next we have a sticker. And it's a picture of the egg. And it says, excellent. Wow, that's so cute. I love all of these. Cute name tag. And let's just get our stuff. So it looks like we can put our stuff in here back. So let's put our squishy, big squishy, the excellent sticker, our egg, the pancake, and the baby bottle. And you can also take out this part of the tray, I think. You can take out that part. It's actually like a tray. I am definitely keeping this. It's just too cute for anything. Wait, I don't think you can get it out. But you can tear off the plastic. Extra plastic. So it did say that you could put your squishy in here. Look. It's like a little, it's breakfast, I'm pretty sure it is. You can put your stuff in here. So cute. And I guess this is a pretty small drink. Very funny. And I don't know. You could probably use this for a container to put anything in. And these small items. And just like you could put these ball chains inside and more. These squishies are so squishy, what the egg isn't. But guys, I will give this a rating. It's going to be, how about an 8 out of 10? Because the egg isn't really squishy, and it also has a few scratches. That's probably why it's a clearance. Don't actually know, but that's what I think. But everything else is just really cute. And now I think I'm going to play with this like every single day. Look at it. It's so squishy. Okay guys, it's the end of the video. Okay, I'll try to clean up a little bit. Tidy up. But let's see what we got first. So it looks like we got Harper Hippo, Mondo Waffle, and Emma Eggy, and there's also 2 more, Libby Labby, Freddy Fries, and Heather Heartsicle. Also Riley Red Panda, Dottie Dumpling, and Rena Rice Bowl. So it's the end now. Also check out all my playlists, and hopefully they will make your day, and subscribe. So be sure to do that. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye.